Hey, you're watching Crisscross Adventures. We call ourselves that because we crisscross all over the state of Florida. You never know where we're gonna pop up or what we're gonna cover. So guys, come join us on the adventure and hey, let's get to the video. Hey guys, before we start the video, I just thought you'd be interested in some sushi history. Alright guys, it's raining, but let's go inside. So guys, I sit down. I'm the only one in the restaurant. It's my first time here. The service was great. It seemed like family owned. I got my miso soup and my ginger salad. The miso soup was a little cloudy. Normally I get it and it's clear, so maybe a different broth. But it was still great. The salad was great. The sushi was very good, guys. I got a dragon roll and eel. And yeah, it's so good, man. Like, it was very good. Like, A+++. But, you know, the hibachi chicken dinner, I give like a B+, you know. Nothing wrong with it. I just, just a B+. And it was good. As you can see, I ate everything. Yeah, guys, and that was my meal. It was great. Highly recommend. Thanks for watching. Hey, guys, if you like the video you just seen, please hit the like and subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I drop videos. Definitely check out the playlist section. And hey, thanks for watching.